Morning friends, Russell here, coming from the shop once again. Over the last couple days, we've added body filler, sanded, prepped, scuffed, masked off. So our Jeep body is now ready to shoot primer on. It's what we're planning to do today. We're going to do some time lapse, let you see the primer going on. But we've got the CJ-7 masked off, ready to go. I've also got my hood sitting out, tailgate, and the windshield frame. This is probably going to take all day to do because I've got to shoot, one side of the frame, inside of the hood, let it settle, and then we can flip it and prime the opposite side. The body will be pretty straightforward, 3 coats, be done with it. So we're going to get started. Alright, as you can see from the time lapse, we spent the whole day shooting primer. Had a little problem with the primer gun. When we broke for lunch, came back, I had to really clean it out real well. And then we were able to finish shooting the chassis itself. We'll have to come back, dry sand at the 320, wet sand to 600 before we lay base coat. And then, of course, we'll wet sand that and then lay the clear coat. But that's all I've got for now. Once again, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you see future content coming up, and there's more to follow.